ready.
This is awesome. I love the wood fire.
Yeah. Original and still the best.
Yep. And you said your name was Rose, right?
Yes, and that's
Miss
Steve.
Rose.
Yes.
Hi, Steve. And this is Miss Rose. And you're the head chef?
Yeah.
You are the head chef here at the Forty.
Yeah.
And I ordered some fish.
Fried in escovitch to be served with bammies and plantains.
That's right.
Alright, now we're just getting all our natural season in. As you can see, we do it all natural.
That's awesome.
Onions and garlic. Pimento berries and Scotch bonnet peppers.
Okay.
And your fish would be perfect when it's done.
That's right.
Scotch bonnet.
I love Scotch bonnet. Yes, it is.
So we grate a little in it.
Okay.
Just to enhance the flavor. So now the oil is coming to heat right up to point, because that's really a key factor in frying fish.
Right.
Your oil has to be very hot. Always stay down, let's Steve. You not come down yet. Alright. Let's see if we can do a cooking in the meantime.
Okay.
Once
And Steve, what is your responsibility here?
everything.
You do
Because
everything.
We do the cooking, everything.
And do the waitering.
Okay. That's
Yeah.
good.
Just about everything.
So all the cooking is done right
Right
here.
here.
Wow.
Right here on the wood fire.
Wow. That's awesome.